Assalamu alaikum, I am Homeo Dr. Ariba. Today, I will be discussing the full information about Belladonna medicine. Let's begin with my opinion, which is divided into 3 categories: the theory of Belladonna, clinical point of view, and comparison of Belladonna. Let's start with the drug profile. Belladonna is the first-grade remedy of homeopathic medicine drug profile family, Solanaceae scientific name, Atropa belladonna kingdom, plante commonly known as deadly nightshade. Belladonna, Atropa belladonna, is a plant that grows from Western Europe to the Himalayas. It's also grown in the U.S. All parts of the plant are poisonous. The flower is known as belladonna, or deadly nightshade. While it is a classic symbol of beauty, every part of the plant can be deadly. Eating its berries or leaves can cause hallucinations or extreme psychological symptoms, and eating a little too much amount can result in quick death. The same compound in this plant can cause such unpredictable and deadly effects, but it is also used as a life-saving medication, including as an antidote for poisoning for centuries. Then let's start with its history. Belladonna is known as the queen of poisons in many cultures, whether it was snuck into a king's meals or on the end of the poison-tipped arrow. Young Italian women in the 1500s had a reputation for using belladonna to make their eyes look bigger and more beautiful. In 1803, Andrew Duncan wrote that atropa plants, like belladonna, could be used against certain conditions and several febrile illnesses, particularly plaque, gout, and nervous diseases such as palsy, apoplexy, epilepsy, chin cough or whooping cough, hydrophobia, melancholy, mania, jaundice, and cancer. Of all the research of pharmacologists, the belladonna straightforwardly use for bradycardia, which means slow heart rate, eye surgeons would use a topical atropine solutions to dilate the muscles around the pupils, which would allow them to examine the retina and surgically remove cataracts more easily. In the late 19th and early 20th century, you could use belladonna-infused plasters for a range of conditions, like back pain, gout, and neuralgia, similar to modern icy hot patches. Belladonna in crude form is dangerous. 2 berries can be fatal, and even small amounts can cause constipation, flushing, and dry mouth. Large amounts can cause delirium and hallucinations. Although belladonna was a known poison in European culture, it was used as medicine in Western Asia, and Africa as a painkiller, diuretic as a treatment of spasms, joint pain, gout for fever, epilepsy, cancer mania, and as a very dilate pupils, clinical points, as well as for theory. When prescribing homeopathic remedies, it is important to consider the totality of symptoms. Using mnemonics can make it easier to identify the appropriate medicine. Mnemonics to remember belladonna: seabirds. C stands for congestion, chilly patient, clutching. B is for burning. I is for inflammation. R is for right-sided affection and redness. D is for dryness and delirium. S is for suddenness, swelling, and sensitiveness. You should include other associated symptoms with congestion, such as shortness of breath and chest pain, angina. Comparative medicine. In homeopathy, belladonna is often compared with Apis mellifica. A bell is made from the plant kingdom, while Apis is made from the animal kingdom. Bell mouth may cause a dry, swollen tongue. Apis may have a red, blistered tongue. Patients with belladonna experience shooting pain, whereas patients with Apis mellifica experience stinging pain. Bell skin hot and almost burning, while Apis had a hot and dry skin. Patients with bell issues may experience painful or frequent urination in small amounts, dark yellow urine, or cramping. Apis patients may experience burning urination and scanty urine in large amounts. These are some pointed comparisons of Bell and Apis, which will make easier you to memorize. Stay tuned for more homeopathic medicine with Dr. Ariba.